Still dreaming of your first IT job in 2026? Then pause right here. This could change your direction, whether you are a student, fresher, career gap, or domain switcher. One thing decides your success: the right guidance at the right time. That's why AJ Skill Development, in collaboration with DigiKAS, is hosting a Salesforce Career Guidance and a hands-on workshop on January 3rd, 2026. This is not just a session, it's a full-day career clarity and practical exposure workshop. So to register in our Salesforce Career Guidance session and workshop, please log into our www.ajskilldevelopment.com, and here you can find the CG Workshop tab. Click on the CG Workshop tab. So about this session will be hosted by Mr. Ashok Raj, founder and CEO of AJSD Academy and DigiKAS India Private Limited. He is a 6x Salesforce Certified professional with 12 plus years of experience in the Salesforce ecosystem and has trained around 5,000 plus candidates. So the workshop details you can find over here. On Jan 3rd, 2026, the timings, the mode, it will be both in online and offline. To register this workshop, the fee will be around 199, and this fees is applicable till December 25. Thereafter, fee will be around 999. To make the payment, please use this GPay number. So about the workshop agenda, in the first half, we'll be discussing about what is Salesforce, why Salesforce, and different Salesforce career roles. And also there will be a project demo and Q&A sessions where you can clarify your doubts regarding the careers, everything. Second half, it's completely on hands-on, where you will learn about Salesforce basics. We'll work with the standard objects like accounts and leads, and how a web to lead form will be created. So here you will create your first Apex-based calculator. And before the end of the session, there will be a quiz where for the top 3 winners will be getting the 10% course discount who enrolls in the course. Apart from this, you will be getting the participation certificates if you are attending the workshop full day. So let me show you how to fill out the registration form. So please write your name, last name, your valid email address, number with PIN code, city, and mode of participation, whether you want to participate online or offline. If it is offline, please click on the offline at AJSD Academy. If the experience, like if you are, whether you are a fresher or experienced in IT or experience in non-IT or career gap, you can select the fields. So if you have attended our earlier career guidance session, you can click on yes or else no. And the payment which you are making, the GPay number, once the payment is done, please share your payment screenshot with the reference number clearly and upload that file over here. If you have a coupon, you can upload that coupon as well. So before agreeing to the terms and conditions, click on the terms and conditions button and please read out these terms and conditions. This is for both online and offline. The reporting time at offline will be around 9. The session will get started, and location, this is the location we have updated over here. So definitely you need to bring your personal laptop with charger and earphones. So these sessions you need to attend in your laptop. If you are attending online, if you have desktop, that's also fine. But make sure not to attend this session in the mobile. So once you go through the terms and conditions, then click on this button, and if you have any questions to ask to our experts, you can leave your questions over here, then submit. Once you submit, you will get a confirmation email to your email ID. This is how you need to submit your form. So make 2026 your breakthrough year. Start with the right guidance. Your IT journey begins here. Thank you.